Alright everyone, welcome to Workshop Wednesdays. It's time for another workshop update. So this week I did a bunch of turning. Check these things out. Did a couple pots. I'm basically just practicing because I haven't gotten a whole lot of practice on the lathe lately. But look at the finish on that. Oh, so cool. So cool. And I even did a little finial. So anyway, you'll see a video on this one shortly. I also turned these two, just a little pot, another pot with a finial on top, and this wood has got some cool figure too. This top's actually a lot tighter, so but this wood got a lot of cool figure in it. It's pretty neat, pretty fun to turn. Some of the stuff I stabilized, so I've been practicing stabilizing also. Other than that, the only thing I really did was I worked on my truck. Not everything I get to do is wood related. The patch job didn't hold up on my radiator, so I had to redo that. But that's about it. I don't remember if I showed this or not. This is an experiment with stabilizing. As you can see, I went a little overboard on the cactus juice. But when I stabilized this one, it turned out really cool. Like, the wood got a lot harder and a lot easier to turn. It was super punky before then, so the stabilizing kit was definitely a great investment. And then the other good investment I got, like to tell you guys about, is this stuff. I've been pointing it out in some of my videos. This EShine is so awesome. EShine. It just kind of comes as like a paste, but it's like, I'll sand up to like 600 grit. I'll sand up to 600 grit, and then I'll put this stuff on, and that alone makes it look super shiny. After that, I just put a wax on, and it looks amazing after that. Pretty much everything I've done lately has gotten this on it, so that's really about it. I got some cool stuff coming up. Those things that you saw that I turned, those might end up on Etsy. I'm still debating on if I want to go through the process of doing that just yet. But we'll see. I'm not sure if anybody's really going to be interested in my practices. So I might just put them up there for super cheap. See if anybody wants them. Anyway, that's about it. It was a nice and short video today, so just give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and keep looking out for more videos coming soon. Thank you.